My name is Milton Chen. I'm the CEO of the company Vsee, VSE. So how salespeople could use Vsee is in a couple of ways. The first way is you can actually bring the face into the sales process. What I mean is your customer can easily go to your webpage, click on the button, they can see you and can see your customer. You can easily use Vsee screen sharing to share application with your customer, whether it's through a customer presentations or additional sales materials and so on. And the customer will also use the Vsee screen sharing to quickly share something back with you, to whether it's talk about the architecture diagram or security thing, just rapidly sharing back and forth. And then finally is using the Vsee drag and drop capabilities. You can easily drag material on top of someone's a customer's video window to do leave behind materials so that customer can have additional material reading. Again, you have this entire sales flow in a single tool to let you make that. How would the sales people make use Vsee to hire candidates is, so this going back to I did my PhD at Stanford University on the human factors, how people communicate. One of the reasons we have video, why people fly people to face-to-face interview is about trust. Could you trust this candidate? Now in this case is reading someone's resume versus seeing that person, it's just completely different. So with Vsee, what you could do is you can easily do a video screening with the candidate. You could pull out their resume to talk about various aspects and even maybe have them sell you something just to judge how well they will do selling your product. So the way you can use this is using two ways. The first one is, suppose you have a more junior person on the field in the customer. Now what you could do is just have the person, while in the customer premise, make a call back to you. So now you can listen in on that sales call in the field. Then after the call, you can make various tips. This is how you might have to do things differently in there. Then the second thing you could do is you could actually record this session. Let's suppose you're a top sales guy in your organization, you record this interaction in there. Now once you record it, now you can share this peak performance video with the more junior salespeople. Again, they can learn from how you do sales. Yeah. So the question is, how would Vsee is a way you can use Vsee to bring expertise to the customer. That's actually turned out to another one of the key sales flow. Again, so Vsee, there are two modes of sales. Purely everyone is digital, making a video chat call. The second one is where you have someone going to a customer premise, and turn out that in that case is instead of what you could do is have your one or two person on the customer premise, and they just bring out the laptop or iPad, then make a call back to their headquarters, maybe bring the VP of sales, or maybe bring the engineer experts or security expert all into this call with the customer. And what people find is, typically what will happen is, if you don't have all these remote expertise in that call, is everything's going great, but the customer has an issue that your frontline salespeople not able to answer them sufficiently fast. Now they have to go back to the headquarters, give the answer, make another trip. Now, just give the questions answer right there on that call, so that you don't need to have that additional trip. And again, you can shorten that sales cycle and get that deal done right there and then. Yeah, the cost for Vsee is, our plan goes from free to $49 per user per month. Free is if you only need the video port capability of Vsee, including group video, including high definition, completely free. No advertising, there's an enterprise security is free. If you wanted the Vsee screen sharing, the application sharing capability, the cost is $49 per user per month, but the remote people is free. That means one salesperson, if you have the subscription, all your customers could call you for free.